Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Think foldables can't surprise you anymore? Wait until you see the new Vivo X Fold 6. It brings smarter hardware, refined software, fresh colors, and better durability. Keep in mind, this is a pre-release testing unit, so today we're focusing on its design and newest features.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
First, the box. Vivo keeps things premium with a leather-like texture, a stylish 3D finish, and its signature top and bottom opening design. Inside, the phone sits securely on a tray, while the accessories are packed below. You get a 100-watt USB-C fast charger with a 20V 5A output and a high-voltage cable supporting up to 9.2A charging. If this is your first foldable, don't skip the precaution guide on top. Those tips help protect the folding display. Now, let's peel off the protective cover and check out the screen. Flip the phone over and you'll immediately notice the new blue hole color. It blends black and white tones with a subtle light-shifting gradient. The AG frosted finish feels premium, while the Vivo logo pops with a slight 3D effect depending on the angle. Now for the cameras. Vivo sticks with its clean, circular camera design, housing a triple camera setup with a large main sensor and a periscope telephoto lens. Even on a foldable, long-range photography looks promising. There are also brand new camera features, including tools designed for concert photography, which we'll cover later. From the side, the camera bump is a bit more noticeable, mainly because the phone itself is incredibly thin. The back uses a layered design, and around the camera you'll find the ZEISS logo and T-Star Durex branding. The X Fold 6 features a full metal frame while staying impressively slim. You'll find antenna bands on every side, carefully placed for balanced connectivity. For controls, there's a dedicated one-touch function switch on the left. The right side houses the volume keys and the power button, which also works as the fingerprint scanner. At the bottom are the USB-C port and SIM tray, while the front and back panels sit almost perfectly flush with the frame. Now for the satisfying part. 3, 2, 1, fold. Hear that sound? It actually gives clues about the hinge quality and how firmly the phone closes. Listen closely a few times, and you'll notice how consistent it is. After folding and unfolding it several times, let's check the crease. 3, 2, 1, open. Under bright light, you can still spot it from certain angles, but during normal use with the display on, it's barely noticeable. Looking closer, Vivo's attention to detail really stands out. The antenna bands are perfectly symmetrical, and even the microphones, speaker grills, SIM tray, and tiny pinholes are mirrored across the frame. The frosted metal frame feels comfortable and adds extra grip. Both the inner and outer displays feature matching rounded corners, giving the folded phone the look of a slightly thicker traditional flagship. Finally, here's the official protective case included in the box. It has a clean, business-style design with a semi-enclosed build and raised edges for extra protection. But don't go anywhere, we've only explored the outside. The best features are still coming up. But here's the biggest surprise. The Vivo X Fold 6 now supports external teleconverters. And honestly, this changes everything. Let's start with the included case. It looks similar to the standard one, but now features metal adapter rings that instantly make it feel more premium. Using it feels just like mounting a camera lens. Press the release button, twist off the ring, attach the new one, lock it with a click, and you're done. The all-metal build feels solid, and the silver diamond finish looks fantastic. It's compatible with Vivo's ZEISS-certified teleconverters, including the 2.35x and 400mm versions. Installing the teleconverter is just as simple. Align it, twist, and start shooting. Whether you're capturing birds or distant subjects, it feels surprisingly close to swapping lenses on a real camera. We've always wanted one device that delivers flagship power, pro-level photography, a huge display, and easy portability. Pairing this foldable with an external lens gets remarkably close, and the best part is you don't need to keep changing cases. Now let's power it on. The startup animation is silky smooth. Running OriginOS 6, the first thing you'll notice is the impressive screen-to-body ratio, evenly rounded corners, and the centered punch-hole camera. The hardware is already flagship level. The real question is how well that big display is used. Watching videos is only the beginning. That's where the new Atomic Workbench comes in. The previous serial mode already made multitasking easier. Now, Vivo expands the workspace, making switching between apps even more comfortable. The biggest upgrade is the new parallel multi-window mode. Fold the screen slightly or swipe up with 3 fingers, and up to 4 apps appear together, making full use of the display. You can freely resize every window, rearrange the layout, or spread 4 fingers to instantly focus on one app. Switch layouts with a tap and save your favorite workspace as a shortcut to reopen anytime. Here's how it works in real life. Planning a trip? Open Dianping, Xiaohongshu, Maps, and Atomic Notes together. In meetings, run your meeting app, Notes, WeChat, and Documents at the same time without constantly switching. Shopping becomes even smarter. Open multiple shopping apps side by side and compare prices instantly. Atomic Workbench adapts to different tasks, making multitasking much more practical. Now, let's talk about AI. First up is AI cross-window drag and drop. Drag an image, pause for a second, and AI instantly recognizes it. Extract text or translate content automatically in seconds. Need to fill out a form? Drag your ID card image and AI fills in the information. Drag a phone number into contacts and it can create a new contact almost instantly. There's also the new AI Document Manager. It automatically organizes files by app and document type, while giving you a desktop-style preview for easier browsing. Messy file names? AI can rename documents, fix text encoding issues, and even generate summaries automatically. When it's time to organize everything, simply tell the AI what you want. It sorts your files automatically, making them much easier to find later. The built-in AI assistant can summarize documents, answer questions, and even recommend useful files based on what you're currently doing. Desktop widgets give you one-tap access. Another standout feature is the AI Meeting Assistant. Assign it to a shortcut key, start recording instantly, and AI recognizes different speakers in real time. Just tap a speaker to jump directly to their part of the meeting. Afterwards, AI quickly finds key moments, generates meeting summaries, and even offers 6 summary templates, saving you from replaying long recordings. There's also one-click deployment from Blue Factory. The previous Little V Cloud PC has been removed, so we'll have to wait for the official release to see how this feature performs. Overall, the upgraded Atomic Workbench makes both serial and parallel multitasking far more useful, while the latest AI features turn the Vivo X Fold 6 into a true productivity powerhouse. Vivo isn't just building another foldable, it's pushing AI-powered smartphones to the next level.